In today's super easy Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw this detailed butterfly pattern and fill it with color using the reference layer. My canvas size for today is 6000 by 4500 pixels. I'll be using the Narendra pencil to create the outline. First, tap on the wrench icon, then Drawing Guide and Edit Drawing Guide. Choose Symmetry, go to Options, select Vertical, and tap Done. Using a reddish-brown shade, I'll start my sketch. For today's art, I'm not using any reference images. I'll be drawing freely from my imagination. I'll start with a butterfly and surround it with floral patterns and elements. The vertical symmetry in Procreate makes drawing super fun as everything you draw on one side is mirrored on the other. This keeps both the halves perfectly aligned, creating a beautiful balanced motif. By the way, the Narendra pencil is one of my all-time favorites for outline work. It's a clean, seamless digital pencil that's one of Procreate's default brushes. But feel free to use any brush that you like. As you can see, I'm slowly building the butterfly outline with simple patterns. Unlike traditional butterfly wings, this design is a bit unique and ethereal. My goal for today's illustration is to create a pattern that would look beautiful on a vibrant cushion cover, perfect for anyone who loves colorful prints and detailed, lively patterns. I'm also adding a touch of Indian patterns to fill the butterfly wings. It's very therapeutic to draw patterns like this without any reference images. It really lets creativity flow in its own way. I'm incorporating more small details so I can use lots of vibrant colors to bring this pattern to life. Feel free to draw straight from your imagination if you enjoy exploring your own ideas, or you can find inspiration on Pinterest if you prefer. Once I'm satisfied with the butterfly design and have used the space wisely to add patterns without overcrowding it, I'll move on to the surrounding area, adding florals and other elements to complete the look. I'll start with a lotus-inspired floral element here, along with some leaves to fill the side space. Next, I'll continue adding more leaves, flowers, berries, buds, and blooms in different shapes to create a balanced, intricate composition. I'll also be adding some mehendi inspired elements like this to ensure they blend well with the overall design. I especially enjoy filling these mango shaped elements. Please let me know if you know the name of this shape. I'll continue filling the negative spaces with similar elements to complete the design. I always make sure I'm 100% satisfied with the pattern before moving on to the coloring phase. Once it passes my final check, I'm ready to add color. Now I'll tap on Layers, select Layer 1 and enable the reference option. Then I'll create a new layer, Layer 2, and place it below Layer 1. This allows us to start filling in the pattern with colors easily. Just drag and drop the colors or use the Continue Filling option that appears at the top of the screen for the same color. I'll be using lots of vibrant colors to make this pattern as bright and colorful as possible. The color drop feature makes it so much easier to fill in the elements without needing to drag and drop every time. I didn't create a color palette for this butterfly pattern. Instead, I'll be using the color wheel to select bright and vibrant colors. I'll make sure the colors look good together, and if not, I can always change them by simply dragging another color over. It's super easy. Since this process will take a while to complete, I'll show a sped up version of my work. One of the things I love about creating art like this is how calming and meditative it feels. There's something so satisfying about filling each little space with color and seeing the pattern come together. It's a great way to unwind and let your creativity flow, especially when you're not following any strict rules or references. This type of art really lets you experiment and make something that's uniquely yours. I'm designing this pattern with a vibrant cushion cover in mind, and I can't wait to see how it looks as a finished piece. Once I've got it all set, I'll be sharing the mock-up on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there if you want to see how it turns out. My Instagram handle is mostly.florals. It's always exciting to bring digital art into real-life products, so if you're interested, please keep an eye on my Instagram handle for more updates on this piece. And here's the finished vibrant butterfly pattern. I'm done with the coloring and I really love how the color combination turned out. It's so lively and it was such a fun project. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also download the outline of this pattern for free using the link in the description box below. I'll see you soon with more exciting content. Until then, happy creating!